Alright, so this is hooked up with the Feniex Typhoon Siren. So I just want to show you guys what the setup looks like. Some grill lights. I got the wigwags function hooked up into the mirrors there. Then for the back, some rear lights. Then I also have wigwags and the tail lights. So kind of a little messy back here, but I'll show you my wiring. It's a little messy. So you can see there's a siren right there. Got the charge guard hooked up. And then there's the controller. So right now, as you can see, the wigwag function goes on number 1 and number 2. 1 is turn it on and off, and then 2 changes the pattern. And then I have one button set up to where it turns on all my lights. And then obviously I have your individual where you can turn the lights on and off individually. Now in order to hook up all the lights onto one switch, I had to use a 40 amp relay along with some diodes to prevent any backfeed, so that way I can feed the same light from this and then also control the same light with that button. And then up here I have this one programmed horn. That's just a momentary button, and then the sirens. That's it.